saying gal and gents of your hair, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a braid out. This is actually my first time doing it, so I'm so excited to carry you guys on this journey with me. So stay tuned so you can see how I achieve this look. Okay you guys, now I've oiled my hair with olive oil. Keep in mind now my hair is extremely wet because I just came out of the shower. So my hair is wet, so it's easy to maneuver. Now we're gonna start by taking 3 strands, but really I was just doing anything. We're gonna start by taking 3 strands, plaiting those straight out to the end to get that braided out look, and then we're gonna take a rubber band and tie it to the end of the braid to keep everything in place. And what I'm gonna do is I'm definitely gonna sleep with it tonight. I want to make sure everything's intact and ready for tomorrow for when I do the reveal. So I'm not gonna keep you guys by talking all day because I can do this all day. So let's get straight into the video. And this is what we're working with. I don't know what's going on right now, but this will be working with. Some even out and all, and I don't know what to do about them. Look. I don't know, but I can't wait for you guys to see the finished result. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay you guys, so now we've reached the takedown part of the video. And as you can see, I've already rushed ahead and take down the front to see what we was working with. Guys, it's actually coming out. Like, look at this. Wow. I can't believe it. So much different things you could do with locks. Like, I can't believe it. take a closer look at it. It came out good. Like, it's actually my first time doing it and it came out wonderful. Like, I just love it. Like, I love it so much. Like, look at it, man. Look at the details of it, you know. Just look at it. Like, it's so cute. Like, whew, child, this is cute. I love it. I already did my edges and put a little something on it. So now I'm gonna take this vitamin E oil and oil it. Put a little bit in my hands. Oil the scalp a little bit, you know. Put a little bit on the lock to make it a little bit more vibrant. We're gonna wear it like this. This is how we're gonna wear it. Just this. We're gonna wear it like this. Further ado, we're gonna close out this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed this video.